is Olga Serbo. I'm a board-certified behavior analyst and licensed behavior analyst. And today we're going to talk about a behavior that many parents and caregivers observe in children with Autism Spectrum Disorder: inappropriate laughing. But before we start, as always, I would like to encourage you to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button below so you can benefit from weekly information on the subject of autism. Inappropriate laughing refers to laughter that occurs in situations where it may not be socially or contextually appropriate. For example, a child may laugh during a serious conversation, in response to someone being upset, or even seemingly out of nowhere. This can be confusing or distressing for caregivers and others interacting with the child. As with many behaviors, inappropriate laughing often serves a function. It may occur as a result of sensory stimulation. Feels good to them to laugh. Communication difficulties is a way to communicate emotions or needs. They may laugh when they are anxious, confused, or even trying to avoid a task. It may occur as an attention-seeking behavior to get attention from others, even if the attention is negative. A child may not fully understand the social context and laugh because they are unsure of how to respond. Also, sometimes laughing has been unintentionally reinforced. For instance, if the child laughed inappropriately once and the adult laughed or reacted strongly, the behavior may have been reinforced. As with any behavior, managing inappropriate laughing involves identifying the function of the behavior and teaching more appropriate alternatives. One suggestion could be teach replacement behaviors. Replace the inappropriate laughter with socially acceptable behaviors that serve the same function. If the laughter is for attention seeking, teach the child to request attention appropriately. For example, say, "Look at me," or tapping. If it is a self-stimulatory, provide alternative sensory inputs such as fidget toys or access to a sensory activity. Second possible strategy is to use differential reinforcement. Here, you can reward the child for engaging in an appropriate alternative behavior, or reward the child for any behavior other than inappropriate laughing during special time. For example, if a child tends to laugh during quiet time, praise and reward them for staying quiet for 5 minutes, then gradually increase the time. Third strategy, reduce triggers that may lead to inappropriate laughing. By providing clear structures and predictable routines, you can reduce anxiety. And here you can use social stories or visual supports to help the child understand appropriate responses in various contexts. For example, a social story may explain when someone is hurt, we say, "Are you okay?" instead of laughing. This helps the child learn the expected behavior. The fourth strategy is to address sensory-seeking behaviors. Here you can offer sensory activities like bouncing on a therapy ball, swinging, or listening to a calming music to replace laughter as a self-stimulatory behavior. For example, if a child laughs during circle time because they are overexcited, allow them to use a calming tool like a squeezing stress ball. Fifth and the last strategy is to help the child recognize and regulate their emotions. Here you can teach the child to label their emotions using visuals or verbal cues. For example, when the child starts laughing during a tense moment, prompt them to take deep breaths and say, "I feel nervous." Reward them for using this alternative behavior. At the end, all I want to add on this topic is that inappropriate laughing in children with autism can be challenging. But by understanding the function of the behavior, teaching alternatives, and reinforcing positive behaviors, we can help children manage this behavior and navigate social situations more appropriately. Thank you for joining me today. I hope the strategies provided will be useful to you and your loved ones. Please don't forget to add your comments and thoughts below this video. See you in the next video.